Hi guys, welcome back. So in the last video, we discussed about singleton design pattern, how we are creating the singleton design pattern using eager initialization, right? So in this tutorial, we are going to discuss that how we can do using lazy initialization. Okay, what is the problem with eager initialization? So when we are creating the object, we done using the static keyword in the eager format, in the eager, right, in the eager initialization. So what basically will happen, whenever this class is getting loaded, object was created globally, I mean the memory was allocated so globally, so it was waste of memory, right? To avoid that, we need to go for a lazy initialization. So when people are using this class, that time only I need to create the object. Now if I done this coding, even if I'm not using this code JDBC util itself, still the object was created, right? But I don't want to do that. When if there somebody is calling this JDBC util, let's create the object. Okay, that is called lazy initialization. Okay, how can we do that? Okay, now this guy is calling 3 times, that's fine. Now here I'm going to make a small change. Okay, what is that? Let me delete this object creation. This is that object creation, right? Let me just delete this. Okay, as of now whatever is made, fine. Now where I'm returning object, this is the place I'm returning object, right? What basically I'm going to do, if I'm going to just do a small check, if obj equal to null. Okay, if obj equal to null, then what I'm going to do, obj equal to new, let me create the object here. Okay, so you are understanding, right? So if the object is, when people are calling this get object method, I'm just checking that the object is null or not. If it is a null, I'm creating the object. If it is not null, obviously it will return the existing object. Okay, so hope you understood, right? So what is the logic behind this very small change I'm making from the eager to lazy? Okay, so I'm just, whenever I'm calling somebody, so first time people are calling, definitely this object will be null, so it will go and create the object. When the second time it is getting called, obviously this object value will be there, so it will not go in this block itself, it will just return the object. Let's try this, how it is working. Let me run this program. See, only one object is created. I have it 3 times calling. I'm calling 3 times, but still only one object is created, right? So hope you understood, right? What is the logic behind it? This is called singleton design pattern using lazy. Okay, so okay, let me think any other way we can broke this. Yes, we have a lot of ways. Again, one of the ways to broke this, using multiple thread. Okay, so when people are trying to use multiple threads, when they want to create the object, right? So when they are creating multiple threads, then obviously this logic will get broke, right? So how to avoid that? Okay, so how to avoid that, we need to use a synchronization. Okay, so I will teach you in the next video how to do that. Okay, thanks for watching. Bye bye.